Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Polkadot from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're diving into crypto or just want to secure your assets, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, ensure you have a Coinbase account with some Polkadot tokens and that your Phantom wallet is set up and connected to the appropriate network. Polkadot might require a specific setup in Phantom, so double-check that in your wallet settings. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email, phone, or authentication app. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate your Polkadot balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Step 2. Click on Polkadot to open its details page. Here, you'll find a Send or Withdraw button. Go ahead and select that to start the transfer process. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet app or extension. Make sure you're on the correct network for Polkadot, then copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Phantom wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to send, and take a moment to review the transaction fees and details. Coinbase will show you an estimate, so keep an eye on that. Step 5. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to enter a two-factor authentication code for security. Hit Send, and Coinbase will process your request. Step 6. Sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. You can check the status in both Coinbase and your Phantom wallet. A quick tip. Always use this method for small amounts first to test, and never share your private keys. Crypto can be risky, so stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.